Everyone wants a quick liver reset, especially if ads promise to erase years of drinking damage in just days. But the real question is whether Uvora Milk Thistle Detox 2.0 is actually legitimate or just another supplement built on hype. Uvora Detox 2.0 is promoted as a powerful liver cleanser that can supposedly repair liver damage from alcohol, flatten beer belly bloating, boost energy, and deliver visible results fast. Yet when you look closely, the claims immediately raise red flags. Supplements are not legally or medically allowed to repair liver damage, and no over-the-counter capsule can regenerate a damaged liver the way these ads suggest, which makes the core promise misleading from the start. The sales page relies heavily on pressure tactics like countdown timers, bundle discounts, and urgency-based messaging designed to push quick purchases rather than educate consumers. You'll also notice dramatic success statistics such as 91% felt lighter in 4 days, which are not backed by any published clinical data, along with before and after images that appear AI-generated or stock-based rather than real users. The product is also advertised as being featured in major outlets like Men's Health, ABC, and BuzzFeed, yet there is no verifiable evidence of these endorsements. When examining the formula itself, it consists of common ingredients like milk thistle and basic herbal extracts that are widely available in generic supplements at a fraction of the price, raising concerns about inflated markups rather than innovation. Some users may report feeling less bloated or slightly more energetic, which can happen with many detox-style supplements, but that does not equal liver repair or long-term health transformation. Overall, Uvora Milk Thistle Detox 2.0 appears to rely more on fear-based marketing, exaggerated promises, and visual persuasion than solid science, making it important to approach it with caution and realistic expectations before spending money.